Hello everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. Have you tried watching FIFA World Cup matches on ZEE5 and you're seeing a frustrating message? As you can see guys, the device limit reach or maximum device logged in. If yes, don't worry, in this video I will explain what caused this problem, how ZEE5 device limit work and several methods you can use to fix the issue and continue watching your favorite World Cup matches or other ZEE5 content. Let's get started. The device limit reach error usually appear when your ZEE5 account has already been used on maximum number of devices allowed by your subscription plan. For example, if you sign in your ZEE5 account on smartphone, smart TV or laptop or tablet and you are using the same account, some of those devices may still be registered with your account even you are no longer using them. When you try signing in a new device, ZEE5 may block the login and display the device limit message. Before making any account changes, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Now try this quick step. Disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi. So I am using ZEE5 in my laptop. Open the Wi-Fi or internet connection, disconnect and reconnect it, and restart your device one time. Or if you're using the ZEE5 app, turn off your mobile data or Wi-Fi and enable it. A temporary network issue can sometimes cause account verification problem that look like device limit error. If the problem is still there, this is the most effective solution for most of the user. Open the ZEE5 application and then log in your account once again. If you are using ZEE5 on website, same process you need to follow. Enter your registered mobile number or email ID, click on login and verify with the OTP. After successfully logged in, click on your profile icon and here click on manage your devices. Review the list of registered devices. If you see old phone or any other unknown devices you no longer use, remove it from your account. Okay, you can get your all unknown devices here. After logging out from all devices, it may immediately fix your problem. Now you can watch your favorite content. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to check your plan. So just go to your subscription plan section and check which plan you have using. If you are using 799 plan, you can use only in one device. If you are using 1699 plan, you can use the subscription plan on two devices. This plan is especially designed for FIFA World Cups only. So go through with your plan, which plan are you using. So if you are using normal plan, like if you don't want to watch FIFA World Cup, so you can get your all plan details. Verify your plan detail and use devices according to your subscription plan detail, and then it will 100% fix your problem. Sometime guys your account session become outdated or corrupted. To refresh it guys, you need to sign out your ZEE5 account. So go to your profile section once again and here you can get the option log out. Just log out your account and simply reopen the website or app and log in again. This simple step can often clear temporary authentication problem. That's why you need to do this. If you are using ZEE5 app on your Android or iPhone, just you need to update your app as well. For Android user, you can also able to clear the cache and storage of your ZEE5 application, and you can also uninstall and reinstall the ZEE5 application. That's it. After doing this all method, now it will 100% fix your problem. You will able to solve the device reach limit issue on your ZEE5. If none of the fixes work for you, the issue may be related to your account. Visit the ZEE5 help center, click on three lines and here you can get the help center, and from the help center you can easily able to contact the ZEE5 customer care support. Here you can get lots of article in which you can able to find out your particular problem. Okay, so I hope this guide help you to fix this ZEE5 device limit error. So if this video help you out, please like, share and subscribe for more useful tech videos. See you in the next one.